Hi, and welcome to our Plumbing Solutions educational series. In today's video, we are reviewing how to install backing.
We're going to install backing for a tub valve today. What you need to do is take measurements off of your tub and the existing space, and then you need to measure in between the studs that you're going to be attaching your backing crossways. My tub measurements are 30 inches, however, to the center of the waste and overflow is 14 and a half. That's a very critical measurement because you want everything lined with the actual tub waste and overflow or the drain in a shower. Come on up here, let's begin. All right, I have cut my backing and I like to go ahead and put my screws, start them at 45-degree angles, that way they'll tow right in. And I measure each backing individually at each location of the stud. Studs can be bowed or out of square or something to that effect, and if you measure at the placement of each backing, you won't be bowing and pulling and pulling everything tight or bringing it out of square when you're installing your backing. All right, I will start with the valve backing. It is actually a little bit longer than the spout backing. I've got my 32-inch mark right here, and I'm going to put the backing at the back of the 2x4 stud. Now, mounting the spout, you notice this little place that sticks out on the back of the valve. I will have to inset the backing for the spout to compensate for that. That looks like about 3/4 of an inch. The backing will have to come off of the back of the stud. Now all we have to do is mount the valve. I've got my center mark here for where it will mount and line up center with the actual waste and overflow of the tub. This tub is a 30-inch tub, however the waste and overflow off of the fixed wall is only 14 and a half inches. And we are lining up this valve with the waste and overflow. You should also line up your valve with the center line of the drain of a shower. Shall nail off our tub spout. With 2 talons with the nails on the opposite side to hold it in place. Nice and back, nice and strong. We will put 3 screws in our shower head L. And this tub valve is set.